Hey there, romance lovers. Today's journey takes us to the heart of love and adventure, Paris. I'm on an Air Linda flight from Dublin, and right now we're soaring above the clouds, dreaming of our first stop, the mesmerizing City of Lights. When we land, the plan is seamless. We'll grab a taxi to our cozy haven for the trip, Citadine, located right at Plaza Italist. This charming spot will be our home base, but not for long. We've got a date with the Paris Metro, whisking us away to our first adventure, a local market and a cooking class. Imagine it, strolling through vibrant stalls, the scent of fresh bread and ripe fruits filling the air. There's nothing quite like the energy of a Parisian market, bursting with colors and flavors. And then the cooking class, learning to create culinary magic with fresh ingredients, side by side with the one you love. Sounds dreamy, right? But the real magic happens tomorrow. I can hardly wait because we'll be renewing our wedding vows at the enchanting Luxembourg Gardens. Just picture it, lush greenery, blooming flowers, and the soft murmur of fountains as we exchange our vows once more. Paris isn't just a city, it's a feeling, romance, adventure, and timeless love all wrapped in one. This journey is more than a trip, it's a celebration of our love story. So stay tuned for more moments of joy, love, and inspiration. Let's make memories that'll last a lifetime. Until next time, keep loving deeply and living passionately. Au revoir.